Good morning, children. Already 5 chapters completed. This is 6th chapter, that is square roots and cube roots. In this, what is a square? What is a square root? What is a cube and a cube root? Square means a number multiplied by itself. Suppose 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 3. Therefore, here square means a number multiplied by itself only. A number multiplied by itself. Suppose example, square of x. Square of x means x into x, that is equal to x square. This it can be as square of x or x square. Suppose square of 2. Square of 2, that is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Square of some 4, that is equal to 4 square, that is equal to 16. Here square of n, that is equal to n square. What? Therefore square means what? A number multiplied by itself, that is called square. Square of x, that is equal to x into x, that is equal to x square. Square of 2, that is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Next square of 4, that is equal to, next it is a perfect square or not. Perfect square means that number is compulsory twice. Suppose square 4 it can be written as 2 square. Here 4 is a perfect square. Next 16 it can be written as 4 square. 16 is a perfect square. 36. Therefore that is called a number multiplied by itself, that is called square. Therefore same number 4 into 4 it can be written as 2 square. 2 into 2, therefore 4 is called perfect square. And 16, 36, 25. Therefore properties of square. Suppose an even number is there. Properties of square. Properties of square. Square of an even number is always even. Square of an even number is even. Suppose you have to take example, square of 2. Here 2 is a even number. Square of a even number, that is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. 4 is also even number. Therefore square of an even number is always even. Next, square of odd number. Odd number is odd. This example, suppose square of 3. Here 3 is an odd number, therefore 3 square, that is equal to 9. Therefore 9 is also a odd number. The square of an even number is always even. Suppose you have to take 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever it may be. 6 square, that is 36. 36 as an even number. Next, square of an odd number is always odd only. Square of 3, that is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. Next, you have to take 5 square, that is equal to 25, whatever it may be. Next one is a number end with 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Therefore it is not a perfect square. A number end with number 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Therefore the number, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Suppose example 22. It is not a perfect square. 27, 28, whatever it may be. 82, whatever it may be. Therefore it is not a perfect square. 72, whatever it may be. A number end with odd number of zeros. A number end with odd number of zeros, odd number of zeros. It is also not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. For example, 10, 1000 or 1000. Next 10,000. Here 1 0 is that is odd number of zeros. Here 3 zeros is that is also odd number of zeros. It is not a perfect square. See, a square of an even number is always even. Example, square of 2 or square of 4, whatever it may be. The square of an odd number is always odd only. Here square of 3, square of 5, square of 9, whatever it may be, square of 7. A number ending with here number ending with unit digit or okay 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. So, for example, 22. 22 is not a perfect square. 27, 28, 82. A number ending with a odd number of zeros. So it is not a perfect square. Okay, these are the properties of the square. Next one. Properties of, suppose a number having n digits, therefore the square of number is 2n. The square of number is having digits 2n or 2n minus 1 digits. Okay, see, a number having n digits, the square of an even number is 2n or 2n minus 1. Therefore, example, square of 9. 9 means here only one digit. Here 9 is square, that equal to 81. 81 means how many digits? Therefore, here a number having only one digit. 2 into 1, that is 1 only, or 2 into 1 minus. Therefore, that is the number having digits 2n or 2n minus 1 digit. Therefore, that is 1 or 2. Suppose a number having square of 11. That equal how much? 11 square, that equal to 121. Therefore, here 2 into 2, that is 4, or here 2 digits is there. Therefore, here 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus here 2 into 2 minus 1, that equal to 4 minus 1, that equal how many digits? 3 digits. Here how many digits? That is 3 digits. Therefore, depends on that number. A number having n digits, the square of number is having 2n or 2n minus 1 digits. Next, the sum of first n odd numbers without addition. Therefore, the sum of first n odd numbers, that equal to n square. Suppose example, you know odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. These are the what? How many? First 4 odd numbers. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, that equal to first 4. Therefore, 4 square, that equal to 16. That is correct or not? 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 1, that equal to 16. Yes. Therefore, without addition, therefore, the sum of the first n odd numbers is n square. These are the problem. A number having n digits, the square of number is having digits 2n or 2n minus 1. The square of 9 equal to 9 square, that equal to 81. Therefore, here 81 having how many digits? That is 2 digits. Yes. Here number only 1 digit. 2 into 1, that equal to 2 digits. Okay. Or here a number having here 2 digits, 11 means. Therefore, here 2 into 2, that is 4 digits, or 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that equal to 3 digits. Okay. Next one is square root. square root. Here, suppose square root of 4. That equal to 4, it can be written as 2 square root. Therefore, square root of 4 equal to 2. Square root of 4 equal to, that is root 2 square. Here, square and root get cancelled, that equal to 2. Therefore, square root of 4 equal to, that is 4. Here, square root of 4, it can be written as 2 square. Therefore, here same number. Therefore, compulsory the two numbers compulsory, that is square root means compulsory two same numbers, 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 7 into 7, 49 is a perfect square. Here 7 into 7. Therefore, square root of 49 equal to 7. Suppose 121 square root of 121, that equal to 11. Okay, same number, square root of 4 equal to root 2 square, that equal to root 2. 11 121, that is square root of 121 equal to, that is root 121, that equal to root 11 square, that equal to 11. Therefore, here find the square root of, that is a different methods is there. Prime factorization method. Next, square root by using the repeated subtraction method. One is, therefore next one is division method, prime factorization. Next one is division method, repeated subtraction. Therefore, that is a subtraction with only odd numbers. Therefore, suppose we are prime factorization. Therefore, 49. Therefore, table, that is 7 tables. 7 7 ja, next 7 1 ja. Therefore, here 7 is a prime number. Here compulsory is prime numbers only. Therefore, here square root of 49 equal to, that is root 7 square. Here square and root get cancelled, that equal to 7. Square root of 49 equal to, that is 7. That is the prime factorization. Otherwise 121, that is 11. Otherwise you take any other number, that is 36. 36 means we have 2 table, 2 80s, next 2 9s, again 3 tables, 3 3s, next 3 1s. Therefore, here how many 2s? 36, it can be written as 2 square, next 3 square. Here root 36, therefore root 2 square into 3 square. Here both are squares is there, therefore 2 into 3 whole square, that equal to, both are get cancelled, that equal to 6. Therefore, square root of 36 equal to, that is 6. That is the next one is the division method is there, next repeated subtraction is there. Okay, exercise 1 is now start. Here exercise 1, that is very easy chapter, this one is okay. Here exercise 6.1. First question. Here, what will be the unit digit of the square of the following? What will be unit digit of the square of the following numbers? Your first question is 39. Next one is 297. Here see, in 39 unit digit is what? That is a 9. In given number, unit digit is 9. Unit digit is 9. You are asking what is square of unit, square of this number. Therefore, here 9 square, that equal to 9 9 is 81. Therefore, here unit digit of the given unit of the given number is 39. The square of the square of 39, that equal to unit digit is equal to 1. Unit digit is 1. Unit digit is 1. The square of 39, that equal to 39 whole square. Therefore, unit digit is what? 9. Here only based on unit digit. Here unit digit is what? Unit digit is 7. Therefore, 7 is square. 7 is square, that equal to 49. Therefore, unit digit of the square number 297 whole square equal to unit digit is 9. Suppose here 5 is given, 5 is square, therefore 25. Unit digit is what? That is 5. Suppose here 0 is given, unit digit also compulsory 0. Therefore, what will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? Therefore, only unit digit based on. Therefore, okay. Next, second one. Which of the following numbers are perfect squares? Which of the following numbers are perfect squares? Here, first one 121. Here 121 it can be written as 11 square. Yes, it is a perfect square. Yes, it is a perfect square. Next one is 136. 136 it can be written as 2 into, or you write 136 it can be written as prime fraction 2, 2 6 2 8. Next again 2 34s. Next here 2 17s. Here 17 ones. Therefore here 2 square, here 2 power 1 into 7 power 1. Therefore it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Why? Here perfect square means compulsory 2 numbers pair. Here 2 square, that is pair is there. Here 2 power 1 only 1 number, 17 power also 1 number. Therefore it is not a perfect square. Next 256. 256. Here 256 it can be written as 16 square. Otherwise write prime fraction 256. Here 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s. Next 2 64s. Again 2 32 times. Next 2 16 times. 2 8 times. 2 4 times. 2 2 1. How many 2s are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Therefore 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. All are pairs there. Therefore, yes, it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Perfect square means compulsory pair. 2 numbers. Every number. Here 121, 11 square is there. Yes, it is a perfect square. 136. Right, 5 factor 2 square, 2 power 1 into 17. It is not a perfect square. Next, here 256, 16 square. Yes, it is a perfect square. Next, third one. Next, third one. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason. Third one. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason. Not perfect squares. Give reason. Here, first one is 257. It is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Why means the number end with 7. The number end with 7 or unit digit is 7. Anything your choice. So it cannot be. Therefore, properties of the square. Therefore, the number end with 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Therefore, the number end with 7 only. Next one is 4, 5, 9, 2. It is also not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Perfect square. Reason is the number end with 2 or unit digit is 2. Next remaining is 2433 there. That is also the number end with 3. It is not a perfect square. Next 5050. Therefore 50, that is unit digit is 0 is there. Therefore here odd number of zeros. Therefore it cannot perfect square. Next 6098. There the number end with 8. Therefore it is also not a perfect square. Okay. Next one. Next one is find whether the square of the following number is even or odd. Even or odd. First given number is what? 431. 431 is what? That is odd number. The square of 431 is also square of 431 is odd number only. Why? Here 431 is a odd number. Unit digit is 1 is there. 1 square. Again unit digit is compulsory 1. The square of 431 is a odd number. Next one is 2826. Here 2826 is an even number. The square of an even number is always even. Square of 2826 is an even number. Why? Here unit is 6 is there. 6 is square. That is 36. That's why the square of an even number is always even only. That is the remaining 8204. That is unit digit is 4 is there. Therefore the square of an even number is always even only. Okay. Next one. Here, how many numbers lie between the square of the following numbers? How many numbers lie between square of the following numbers? Following numbers. First one is 25 and 26. How many numbers lie between the square of the measure? Here, twice of the first number. Number of numbers equal to twice of the first number. 2 into 25, that equal to 50 numbers lie between the 25 square and 26 square. This is the first method. Here, or second method. Here, first 25 square, that equal to 625. Here, 26 square, that is 676. Therefore 625, here 626 and so on 676. Therefore in between means this number and this number excluded. Total remaining numbers are how many? That is 50 numbers only. This method or that method, any method. Therefore twice are the first number. 2 into 25, that equal to 50 numbers. How many numbers lie between square of the following numbers? Therefore that equal to, okay, here 25 square 625, 26 whole square, that is 676. Here 625 to 676 in between, that is total 50 numbers. Excluding this number and this number, the remaining numbers are how many? Total 50 numbers. That is correct or not? You total numbers write and count it. Okay. Next, second one is 56 and 57. Therefore twice of the first number. Number of numbers equal to, that equal to twice 2 into 56, that equal to 112. The 56 whole square and 57 whole square, you multiply and simplify it. Okay? Next one. Here, sixth one. Without adding, find the sum of the following. Without adding, find sum. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. These all are the odd numbers only. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 numbers is there. Sum of the first n odd numbers. N odd numbers equal to, that is n square. Here how many numbers is there? Sum of the first 5 odd numbers. Yes sir? Sum of the first 5 odd numbers. Sum of first 5 odd numbers. That equal to 5 square. That equal to 25. That is correct or not? 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, 24 plus 1, 25. Yes sir? That is the formula. Sum of the first n odd numbers formula is n square. Sum of the first 5 odd numbers, that is 5 square. Next second one is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Here first count this one. How many numbers are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore here sum of the first 9 odd numbers, that equal to 9 square, that equal to 81. That is correct or not? Count it. Okay? Here 9 plus 1. Here 4 20 is there plus 1. Therefore that is a 426. Yes sir? Next one more problem, that is do your own. Next second exercise. Therefore that is prime factorization. This is also very easy problems. Here exercise 6.2. First question. Here find the square root of the following numbers by. Find the square root by prime factorization. Here first one is 441. Here 441 it can be written as here 3 table may be here 3 ones. Next 4 minus 3, that is 1 is there, 1 4 4 ja. Here next 4 7 ja. Next again 3 table 3 4 ja 12. Here 14 minus 12, 2 is there, that is 9. Next 7 table 7 sevens 7 ones. Therefore 441 it can be written as 3 square into 7 square. Therefore you are asking square root of 441 equal to, that is square root of 3 square into 7 square, that equal to root of 3 into 7 whole square. Both are get cancelled, that equal to 21. Square root of 441 equal to how much? That is 21. This is method is called prime factor. Here 3 and 7 compulsory, that is a prime number only. Yes sir? Here you check once. Here 441. Okay. Therefore here 3 table 3 ones 3 fours 3 sevens. Again 3 table 3 49s. Here 7 table 7 sevens 7. Therefore 441 equal to 3 square into 7 square root 441 equal to root of 3 square into 7 square root 3 into 7 whole square equal to 21. Next one is 784. that is do your own 784, that is 4096. Therefore 4096. Here 2 table, 2 1, 2 2s, 2 zeros, 2 4s, 2 8s. Again 2 table, 2 1, 0, 2 2s, 2 4s. Again 2 table, 2 5s, 2 1 2. Next 2 table, 2 5 6. Here 2 1 2 8, 2 64. Next 2 32s. Here 2 16. Again 2 8 times. Next 2 4 times, 2 2 times. Here 2 ones. Here all 2s. Therefore 2 is a prime number. We are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Therefore 4096, that equal to 2 square 2 square 2 square. Here 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 pairs. 2 square 2 square and 2 square. Yes sir. Therefore square root of 4096, that equal to here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole square. Here square root get cancelled. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 8 is 64. Therefore square root of 4096 equal to 64. Here one more time, that is square root of 4096, that equal to 2 table. Here 2 2048 times, again 2 10, 2 24 times, again 2 table, 5 12 times, 2 256, 2 128 times, 2 64 times, 2 32 times, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times. Therefore here how many pairs? Total 6 pairs is there. Okay. Therefore square root of 4096 equal, that is 64. Next word problems is there. Next second one. Here find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Find smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Here by using prime factorization method only. Here given number is what? Here solution given number, that equal to 3645. Write the prime factorization. Therefore 3645. Here 5 table maybe. Why? Unit is 7 is there, that is 5 table. 5 7 is 35. Here 104. 104 means that is 5 2 is. Next which table? That is 3 table maybe. 3 2 is 6. Here 3 4 is 3 3 is. Again 3 table. 3 8 is 1 is. Next again 3 table. 3 27. Again 3 9 times. Again 3 3 times, 3 1 time. Therefore here 3 6 4 5 it can be written as here 3 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs. Here 3 square, here 3 square, 3 square. Here 5 power 1 is there. Here asking what? Find the smallest number by which. Therefore here 3 square, that is pair is there. Here also 3 square pair is there. Here 3 square pair is there. Here 5 power 1. Therefore only one number. Therefore here 3 6 4 5 is multiplied by 5, then then it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Here 5 is only single number is there. One more 5 you want compulsory. Therefore that is here. And one more time I say here given number that is 3 6 4 5. First write the prime factorization. 3 6 4 5 table. 5 729 3 243 times 3 81 times 3 27 times 3 9 times 3 3 times 3 1 time. Okay, here 1 pair, here 2 pairs, 3 pairs. 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. Therefore here 5 is only one number is the remaining all are pairs is there. Therefore this number is multiplied with 5, one more 5. Therefore it is a perfect square. Sometimes asking divided by, therefore that number also 5 only. Here divided by 5, then it is a perfect square. Divided by 5 means you get 729. Therefore 729 is a perfect square. Next one. Here fourth question. Here find the smallest number by which here 7776 is to be divided to get a perfect square. To get a perfect square. Here given number is that is 7776. Here first write the prime factorization 7776. Therefore here 2 table, 2 3s, here 1 17, next 2 8s, next here 16, 1 7, 2 8s, here 2 8s, again 2 table, 2 1s, 2 9s, 2 4s, again 2 table, 2 9 ja 18, 1 4, 2 7 ja 2 2 ja. Next again 2 table, 2 4s, here 1 2 8s, 2 6. Next again 2 table, 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 3s. Again 3 table, 3 81 times, 3 27 times, here 3 9 times, here 3 3 times, here 1 2 1 2. Therefore here 7776 it can be written as 2 square, one more 2 square into 2 power 1, here 3 power 2, here 3 power 2 into 3 power 1. Here see, here 2 square, this is a pair, this is a 2 square, this is also pair. Here 2 power 1, that is only one number. Here 3 square, that is pair, 3 square, pair, 3 power 1. Therefore here one more you want to 1 2, here one more 3. Therefore 2 into 3. Therefore here 7776 is to be divided by 6. Then it is a perfect square. Perfect square. Here number is 7776 is to be divided by to get a perfect number. Here first the prime factor 7776, that is 2 table, 3888, 2 table 1944, again 2 table 972, 2 486, 2 243 times 3 81 times 3 27 times 3 9 times 3 3 times 3 3 1 times. Therefore here 3 1 times. Therefore here right here 2 how many times is there? 5 times is there, 3 5 times is there. Here 2 square 2 square 2 power 1, 3 square 3 square 3 power 1. Here one more 3, here one more 2. Therefore 7776 is to be divided by 6. Then it is a perfect square. Okay. next one, the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the number. Seventh question. Given product of two numbers, product of two numbers equal to 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, okay, therefore let one number equal to x, one number equal to x, second number equal to what, or other number equal to 16 times the other, therefore 16x. Here product of the two numbers equal to how much is given? Product of two numbers, that equal to 1296. Here x into 16x equal, that is 1296. Here 16x square equal to, that is 1296. Therefore x square equal to 1296 by 16. Therefore 16 how many times? 16 8 that is 81 times. 81 times. Therefore x square equal to 81. Therefore x square equal to 81, it can be written as 9 square. Therefore x equal to 9. Therefore one number equal to 9, other number equal to that is 16x, that is equal to 16 into 9, that is 144. Okay, therefore one more time say, here given number, the product of two numbers is given, that is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other is given, therefore one number equal to x, other number equal to 16x. Therefore product of two numbers, that is 1296, x into 16 x equal, that is 1296, 16x square equal to 1296, x square equal to 1296 by 16, 16 8 128, here 106, that is x square equal to 81. Therefore 81 it can be written 9 square. Here power should be equal, means equal in the base, x equal to 9, one number equal to 9, other number equal to 16x, 16 into 9 equal to 144. Today what we are discussing, what is square root, next properties of the square, perfect square. Therefore okay, therefore everyone practice these all questions and do example problems also. Okay, thank you everybody.